The most expensive mistake homeowners make with their front door isn't choosing the wrong color or finish, it's replacing a door that could have been restored. Many doors are replaced not because they've structurally failed, but because the finish looks worn, faded, or damaged. That cosmetic damage is often mistaken for irreversible deterioration, leading homeowners to spend thousands of dollars unnecessarily. Front door replacement is costly, not just because of the door itself, but because of hidden expenses: removal, disposal, framing adjustments, trim work, hardware, and sometimes repairs to surrounding siding or interior finishes. In contrast, refinishing addresses the real problem, the failed protective coating, while preserving the existing door's structure. Another costly aspect of replacement is downgrading without realizing it. Many older doors are made from higher quality materials than modern replacements at similar price points. Homeowners often spend more money to end up with a door that's thinner, less durable, and still finished with coatings that may fail just as quickly. The mistake is compounded when homeowners replace a door without fixing the underlying issues that caused the damage in the first place, such as UV exposure or moisture intrusion. Without proper protection, even a brand new door can begin failing within a few years. In most cases, professional refinishing restores appearance, extends lifespan, and delivers a high-impact curb appeal upgrade at a fraction of the cost of replacement. The real expense isn't fixing a worn-looking door, it's replacing one that didn't need to be replaced at all. Door Renew can fix your worn-looking door for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.